Hey, what's up? It's Mike Lou. We have a very exciting announcement. We're in phase one of a project right on Beaver Street, downtown Sewickley, right outside the business district. We're currently at the Richard D. Cole Funeral Home, a design build with a few architects and engineers, which is right next to Safran's, and also an apartment complex right next door. And what we're working on right now, what we're getting prepped for in the future is a commercial building. And today we're doing all the asbestos remediation on the existing funeral home in preparation to tear these buildings down. As you can see, making some mega progress tearing these buildings down. Very tight corridor, but everything so far, it's being done safe, it's being done clean, it's all within the perimeter, and we're working with CH Insight, and they're just doing a fantastic job getting this building down. So, front of the building, this is right at Beaver Street. This is gonna go right up to the sidewalk, which it's gonna align with all the other buildings, just going down Sewickley. And it's essentially gonna take up this entire property that you guys can see here. On some parts of the building, it's gonna go right up to the property line. Other sides, it's gonna be about a 5-foot setback from there. As we go through, standing in retail right now, what makes this building so unique, and what I loved about working with the architects is that on the lower level, there's gonna be a break in the space where there's gonna be a courtyard built in the middle of the property. So you're gonna be able to walk up, there's gonna be driveways and garages down there. You're gonna be able to walk up into this courtyard and into either Safran's parking lot or along the building. So the garages are on their own separate, and then there's gonna be an elevator up to the condos. And then over here is gonna be its own separate space. And then you'll see the building connects on the main level or on the second level, and then up on the third floor, it'll be completely filled out too. As you can see over here, we're getting ready to do the stormwater management system where we're gonna be tying in this building. We're running down Duquesne Way about 250 feet, and then we're gonna tie in over there. And so over the next week, we're gonna be tearing up this road, putting our stormwater in, putting the pipe in, and prepping ourselves so whenever the building's complete, we can tie everything in, and we're gonna be good in regards to typical water that's gonna be on the site. As you can see, we're hitting this hard. Great crews out here. We have not only network team that are doing the footers and the foundation, but we also have their masonry team here. That's Arch Masonry, and they're doing the block. And you can see we got a lot of the scaffolding up for our first elevator shaft, so we're making some good progress and finally going vertical. What's next?
We're gonna keep going on this, and then we're going on to the storm section down Duquesne Way, down the alleyway here.
It's gonna be unbelievable. It's gonna be unbelievable.